Alright, here's our diesel project. Here we have 6.5 turbo. Got a hell of a deal on this. Got more deals over here. We got a GM8 turbo off of 97. We got the dual outlet thermostat water outlet housing, the bypass tube. And under here, we got the 130 gallon per minute water pump. Of course, I'm going to swap that out and get a new one. But here, we have an engine I just can't resist to use. Let me get my light. I've got a 85,000 mile 6.2. Purrs like a kitten. Starts like a gas job. Goes like a 350 with a 4-barrel. And I'm going to have some fun with that GM8 turbo on it. And we can't just put this in any truck. We got to put this in a real truck. That truck. Dana 60 front end. Diesel wheels. Big fat Falcon tires. Ooh, look at this thing. I know she's apart right now because we've been working on it. Oh yeah. Check it out. Luxury. I'm making a video.
Making a video.
That's right. Making a video.
What a clown you
My
are.
big bad diesel ride.
Bad diesel ride. Jeez.